Welcome to the ArchiMate implementation and migration layer, the roadmap that delivers change. This pink band wraps every other layer, answering when and in what steps your transformation actually happens. Let's learn this layer's vocabulary. A work package is a set of work to achieve a result, like building a delivery app. A deliverable is its tangible, measurable outcome. A plateau is a stable architecture state at one point in time. A gap is the difference between two plateaus. And an implementation event marks a change of state, like go live. Each plateau captures one architecture state. The baseline plateau is where we are now. Our restaurant is offline only. The target plateau is where we want to be, online plus delivery. Between them sits a gap. What's still missing? There's no online ordering system yet. That gap is what we must close. Now let's connect the elements. The Build Delivery App work package realizes the Delivery App V1 deliverable, shown with a dotted line. Likewise, staff training produces the SOP document. A triggering relationship runs them in sequence, from Build Delivery App to staff training, reaching the Go Live implementation event. A roadmap always connects back to its reasons. The work package Build Delivery App realizes the course of action and strategy, start selling online. The Plateau target, online plus delivery, realizes the goal in motivation, increase revenue. So implementation and migration shows the when and the steps, realizing strategy and motivation. Here's our roadmap. The baseline plateau is offline only. The target plateau adds online and delivery. The gap between them is closed by two deliverables that realize the target state. Here's the work package timeline. Build Delivery App triggers staff training. Each package realizes its deliverable. Finally, everything triggers Go Live, marking that we've reached the target plateau we're aiming for. Those are the 5 elements of the implementation and migration layer, breaking change into clear, traceable steps so the team knows what to deliver and when. Baseline, work package, deliverable, Go Live, target.